So I want to take a moment to interrupt this video and tell you guys about the free detailing session. It is only 3 days away. I've been talking about this for the past 2 weeks. This is a free detailing session that Luke from Wilson's Auto Detailing is going to be putting on, and it's going to be helping guys who are just starting their detailing business, or those who are doing it part-time or on the side, and they want to ramp it up to a full-time detailing business. Now is the time to do that. So I have the registration link down below if you want to sign up for that free session. Now, can you learn everything in this one free session? No, of course not. But this is going to give you a kickstart. It's going to help you develop the skills that you need for your detailing business. Training has never been easier and cheaper, and you want to take advantage of that, especially if you're new. If you need help, there's training opportunities out there for you. And Luke is offering this free one-day training. It's a limited time offer, and yes, you can learn from YouTube and you can learn on your own, but it's going to take you a while. You're going to struggle a little bit. Why not take advantage of some free detail training? And there's going to be other avenues of training after that as well that you can take advantage of. So once again, it's only 3 days away. Go check out the link down below and register, and we'll see you there.